Okay, so you want to learn how to sell digital products with the power of Claude. Well, I'm going to show you on this video a step-by-step method of how to do that really quickly. And I'm going to break it down. Even if you're a beginner, you're going to know exactly what you need to do. So check this out. But guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. Now, on my screen, I'm on the biggest marketplace in the world to sell digital products, and it's called Etsy. Now, if you didn't know, you need to know, because if you actually do want to sell digital products, then you need to learn how to do it on this platform, because it literally is the biggest place on earth where millions of people are constantly looking for digital products. So, as I said, I'm on Etsy right now, and there are thousands of different types of digital products, guys, and it can be super confusing to know exactly what you can sell. Now, if you're a beginner, I always go with something that is easy to do, right? Simple to do, but yet has a profit. Now, you can find a lot of these, but also you need the added bit, the sauce, if you like, the gold, I call it, which is something that is low competition. And this is where we get to the real matter. Now, we're going to be using Claude soon to actually help with this process. But step one in this journey, short journey, is do your research. So what you need to do is you need to find, as I said, something profitable, but something that is also low competition. Now, using your eyes is going to be difficult to find that, but you need a tool. And the tool that I suggest is something called EverBee, my go-to research tool. So what I've done is I've hooked up EverBee, and you can try it out. The link is below and you can try it for free. But I've hooked up EverBee to Etsy, right? And it's actually on my Chrome extension as well. So on the side, you can see here, I've got my EverBee hooked up, ready to go. And underneath all these digital products is some data and information which EverBee's given me. And this is what I'm trying to say, guys. You need information, you need the data. Don't look at the designs or the digital products and say, I like that, I want to go for that because it looks nice. We're not doing looks nice. What you need to do is you need to do what is actually working with the data. And what I mean by that is what is actually selling. So I'll just give you a quick example of what I'm talking about. Right? And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy ready AI designs that you can sell, and in less than 20 minutes I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. If you look at my screen right now, you can see this design of a watercolor clip art, we call it, which is just basically an image that's been created. It's a 4-month-old listing. That means the seller listed it up on Etsy, right, 4 months ago. And it's currently getting 18 sales per month, right? Now, looking at the numbers, I can almost presume that they're not brilliant. They're okay, but nothing special. Nothing that's going to blow your mind. This one next to it is way better. This is an older listing, yet is continually, consistently making sales. And again, it's a digital download. So what I like to do is I like to look and see what actually works. So I'm going to click on this one, right? Okay, so I'm on the bestseller here. This bestseller, 20 plus in a basket, making money, analyzing listing. This is making $4,263 per month, right? Proven to sell, coming down, it's selling consistently well. Now, let me just explain what this is. This is a digital download. So what you do is you get a digital file. You can see it here. You get a PDF, right? A PDF of the design. Sometimes it's a PNG, but let's say it's a PDF in this case, right? And basically what this means is that you get a PDF with a link to the designs. Now, this is a picture of a house, right? A design of a house, a watercolor house. Now, what happens is that a customer would send a photo, right? They would send a picture, a photo of their home, right? And they would want a design, a watercolor design in this case, created of it, right? So they want a painting produced of their home, right? And they want this done with some writing maybe at the bottom, like home sweet home in this case, maybe the name of the road, maybe the name of the family. So you would send a photo of your home to the seller and they would transform it into this beautiful watercolor painting just like you see. Now, what you didn't know is that this can be created quite easily using Claude. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. And in fact, I teach people how to do things like that because this is called a personalization custom niche product, right? And they are super in demand. People always want things like this because people have emotional ties to the things they love, like homes, like their family, like pets. So there's always a demand for this. And on top of that, Etsy loves gifts. And this is one of the most giftable items out there. So what would happen is on the listing, you would upload an image of your home like this here, where it says upload files, and you might add a little personalization. You might say home sweet home, or name of the road, or name of the family, the Johnson family, whatever it may be. And then you would add it to basket. Very simple. And then once the seller's finished and it says 24 hours in this case, you then get a PDF with a link to the design. Easy peasy, right? Now, let's show you exactly how this works. So I want to jump onto Claude to show you how to do this. Okay, guys, I'm on Claude, and guys, listen, Claude can do many things, and I've done quite a few videos on it. So I do suggest you check out my playlist. My playlist will come up at the end of this video. And remember, AI is here to stay, guys, and AI is going to honestly help you make the money, but you do need to make sure that you don't choose lazy digital products, guys. I keep saying it. If you do something like custom personalization, this is one of the best niches to get into. And like I said, I do teach it. The link is below in my school community. Only taking limited amount of people. Anyways, so step one, if a customer sends you a photo of their home, this is what you do. You go to the plus sign, right? And you upload your file, and the file will be a picture of the house, right? So I've just uploaded a picture of a home. You can see the home there. It's a nice little picture that was taken. Now, what I'm going to say is I'm going to say transform this house picture into a watercolor style, because watercolor is a really popular style of painting. And let's say the seller wants it in watercolor. I can write anything. The seller might say, I want it in a oil painting style. That's okay too. Transform this house picture into a watercolor painting style. Okay. Now, I'm going to say using Higgs field. Now, Higgs field is something that is connected to Claude. So if you go on the side here and you go customize, right? If I go to customize and I go to connectors, there are various connectors that you can add to Claude, right? You can see Canvas there and Higgs fields there, right? So that's how you kind of connect the various things. Okay, so obviously that's all connected. And then once I've got the prompt, so this prompt is a string of words, and I've said I wanted to transform it from photo into a watercolor painting, then I just click generate. Okay, so now Claude is doing the thinking, which is thinking, and it's saying thinking as well. And it's gonna now connect with Higgs field as well, and it's gonna hopefully create for me this beautiful house in a watercolor painting style. Okay, you can see that it's all connecting. Now I'm just gonna, it says it wants the conversion, the image. So I'm just gonna add the image. And now it's generating the image. You can see that it's generating now. It's actually using a Nano Banana 2 model, which is a really fantastic image generator. If you didn't know, Nano Banana is actually from Google itself, or Gemini if you like. And here you go, guys. This is what it has produced. Now, absolutely phenomenal. Now, what you could do, you could actually, so you can go to download, which you can see here. And if the seller just wants it as it is, then that's great. So you just download it. What I'd probably suggest is show them a proof, show them what you produced. If they approve it, if they don't, and they want a little bit more, maybe brighter colors or something like that, you can quite easily just go back and just add a bit more color to it. But literally, that's how quick you can do this. Just download it and then it will download into your laptop or computer, and then you can literally send it to the customer as a digital download in literally seconds. And that is all you need to do, guys. So that is one fantastic way of making money through Claude. Remember, if you got any comments or any questions, drop it below. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy, where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.